Happy 30th Rated K Miss Corina. Handa na ba kayo to Miss Corina Sanchez Rojas? Congratulations for all the accomplishments, for all the achievements of your career. Time flies because 30 years ago, it was 1996 when you started your Rated K, if I am not mistaken. Uh, Happy to see you because you are still remain the same. You look young, you are still beautiful, you are still charming, you are still gorgeous. And always remember that everything that you have in your life, your success in your fulfillment is a blessing, is a gift from God. It is always blessings from our Creator. So keep up the good work. You are the brilliant newscaster in the Philippines, in our country. Not only in the Philippines, but in the entire Asia. And of course, you are the brilliant newscaster in the entire universe as well. God bless you always. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City.